How many times have you had a great meal only to be disappointed by a plain, dry, bland piece of cheesecake for dessert? Well, we're going to show you how to make a lush, creamy, and flavorful cheesecake that melts in your mouth. This cheesecake is so good, it's going to have you longing for one more bite. Remember, you gotta eat cheesecake. Let's jump right in. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Take your ricotta cheese and put it in your blender or food processor. Blend the ricotta until it is very smooth. Because of the thickness of the ricotta, you may have to scrape it off the sides of the blender in order to get that silky smooth texture we're looking for. Once we get the ricotta to our desired consistency, pour it into a large bowl. Next, we add eggs, vanilla extract, orange and lemon zest, and we're going to whisk until it's all well blended. Now we have sugar and cornstarch, which we pre-mixed together, and we're going to add that to the ricotta mixture and whisk until smooth. We have a 10.5-inch spring foam pan that we already buttered and dusted with flour, and we molded aluminum foil tightly around the pan so that water can't seep in. Now we're going to pour the batter into the prepared pan. Next, we are going to place the spring foam pan into a large roasting pan and pour hot water to a depth of 1 inch and put it on the middle rack of the oven. We're going to bake the cheesecake for 1.5 hours, or until the top of the cheesecake is golden and a knife inserted 2 inches from the center of the cake comes out clean. At this point, turn off the oven and prop the door open. Let the cake cool for 30 minutes in the turned off oven. After 30 minutes, remove the roasting pan from the oven. Next, you want to remove all of the foil wrapping around the spring foam pan. Finally, cool to room temperature on a wire rack. You can serve at room temperature or slightly chilled. You can garnish your finished Italian cheesecake with confectioner's sugar, fruit, or any topping of your choice. This homemade Italian cheesecake is one of our favorite desserts, and we hope you enjoy it as much as we do. If you enjoyed this video, let us know. Leave us a comment. Remember to hit the subscribe button on this page so you can get more videos like this from us. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon. Stay hungry, my friends, and remember, you gotta eat.